To start today's play, we'll start with the magic ring. I make 3 chains, counting the one with the ring. Now here inside the magic ring, we will work 15 double crochet. And counting on the initial currents, we will take a total of 16 points. After finishing all points, we are going to cut the wire and finish with tapestry needle. And you can also finish with 1 slip stitch. On the second double crochet, for the second round, we are going to use another wire color. I will insert the needle into any of the points, and I will make 2 chains. Loop, I come back here in the same space. I am looking for thread. 2 height. I will repeat this movement 3 times. I am looking for thread. I introduce the needle. 2 height. Now I'm going to lace it up, and I'm going to take out all the straps at once, forming a puff stitch. I make a chain. Loop, I come at the next point. I introduce the needle. I look for the wire, 2 height, and I repeat the movement 3 times. In the end, I will tie. I will take off all the handles at once. I make 1 chain. In the next point, work the same way. Loop, looking for wire. I give height for 3 times. After the 3rd repetition, I will tie. I pull all the straps at once. I make a chain. And so I'll go all around. It will be 16 puff stitches. Now that I've finished this tour, I will cut my wire. And I'm going to do a needle finish, tapestry, I will use another wire color. We are using only leftover wires. I'm going to insert the needle here in the chain. In the space of the current, I'll get the wire and go to work. A total of 2 streams. Loop inserted in the same space. I am looking for thread. Bow shot 2 handles, I have 2 handles on the needle. Introductory loop. I am looking for thread, 2 handles shot. Now I got 3 handles on the needle. Introductory loop. I am looking for thread, 2 handles shot. When we have 4 handles on the needle, loop and shoot all at once. I make 2 loop separation chains. Here at the next point, we will repeat, and now let's do 4 incomplete double crochet. I already made the first. Now the second, the third, and the fourth. Let's stay now. With 5 handles on the needle, draw all. I make 2 separation chains. I come at the next point, in the next space. And I do double crochet 4 together. Then it will be 4 incomplete double crochet, without making the last loop. And when we have, with 5 handles on the needle, we'll tie and take them all at once. We're going to repeat this all around, always separating with 2 chains. Ready now, I will do the finishing with tapestry needle, and I will switch to another wire color. I will introduce the needle here within the space of the 2 streams, and I will work 4 chains. Now I will tie twice. Come back here in the same space. I look for the wire. Bow shot 2 bow, shot 2 loop, shot 2, forming the treble crochet. I make 1 more treble crochet in that same space, totaling 3 points. In the next space, the 2 chains from the previous row, we are going to do 3 double crochet. In the next space, we will work 3 double crochet. In the next space, we will also work 3 double crochet. So here at the beginning, we made 3 groups of 3 double crochet. In the next space, I will loop needle twice, and I will work 3 treble crochet. Next, I make 2 chains. And in the same space, I will work 3 more treble crochet. Now we are going to keep making 3 groups. 3 double crochet. Then it will be 3 double crochet for each space of the chains by 3 times. First group, Second group. And this is the third group. Here in the next space, we're going to tie it twice. And let's do the same. 3 treble crochet separated. 2 chains. And we will continue to repeat this sequence throughout our career. Coming here at the end, we are going to complete this first fan. We did, so I will do 3 more treble crochet. Then I'll make 2 little chains. I will cut the wire and finish with the tapestry needle. And that's the result of our crochet piece today. This beautiful square. Super cute, very easy to do too. And you can use it in several pieces. I will leave here at the end some examples. How you can use this beautiful crochet square. Until more.